Hello guys, nice to see you again. Before we start I want to tell you guys, I am Gamer, Galactics is my channel name, don't forget to follow me and like the plots you seem to like, and the content of this particular show is from Crash Course just because I find it useful, that's all. Now shall I start? You know, farming, civilization, modernity, all of that happened in the last 10 to 15,000 years ago, 11,000 years ago. Human population recovered from Mount Toba disaster and grown to about 6 to 8 million people. The Garden of Eden, where the warming climate of the earth created some lush ecosystem with enough food for foragers to quit migrating and settle down for several generations. It's one of the theory how agriculture started remaining as at World History series, which is likely to come next year. Now agriculture represents a massive shift in human activity. Agriculture first emerged in Fertile Crescent and Egypt around 11,000 years ago. In East Asia and Papua New Guinea agriculture emerged 9,000 years ago. Agriculture emerged in the Americas and West Africa around 5,000 years ago, even though the Middle East was the first place where agriculture emerged. That's it for today. There are more about this on their channel on YouTube. If you learned something, please like this plot. Follow me if you are new in this channel. Check out more awesome shoes on my channel. Bye for now.